Qantas 888.
Qantas 888, go ahead.
We have indications of a fuel leak on the left-hand engine. At this stage, you would decline diversion back to Perth.
Qantas 888, copied that, and you're declaring emergency?
We will be declaring a PAN shortly because at this stage we will be having to shut down an engine. If we could just get a vector, turn around and head back to Perth at this stage, and once we go down that path, we'll be declaring a PAN.
Qantas 888, copied that. Turn left, and you're clear direct to Perth. Maintain flight level 390.
They left at clear direct to Perth, flight level 390, stand by Qantas 888.
Qantas 945, contact me 132.7.
1327, Qantas 945. Center Qantas 945, flight level 300.
Qantas 945, center. Qantas 1017, contact centre 118.2, expect start clearance.
118.1017. PANPAN, Qantas 888, with this fuel leak, we're going to be going through the process of shutting down the number one engine, the left-hand engine. Required to send flight level 260.
Qantas 888, Melbourne Centre, Roger Pan, copied, descend to flight level 260.
You're leaving flight 390 for 260, Qantas 888.
Emirates 430, contact Brisbane Centre 132.0.
132.0, Emirates 430, heavy, thank you.
Okay. Qantas 888, Centre.
Qantas 888, go ahead.
Qantas 888. When you get a moment, I've got a few questions just regarding your approach.
Qantas 888, yeah, we're just looking at the moment. We're also checking out the weather at Kalgoorlie since it is our closest airport.
Qantas 888, copy that. Is now a good time to ask you a few questions?
Qantas 888, stand by.
Jetstar 782, contact centre 132.6.
32.6, Jetstar 782.
Velocity 721, contact me 123.95, there's some Beverly.
123.95, sir, velocity 721. Velocity 721, maintaining flight level 32, sir, landing Beverly, time 18.
Velocity 721, Melbourne Centre.
Centre Qantas 888, looking at the weather Kalgoorlie, it's acceptable. We'll now require a diversion to Kalgoorlie, request a right-hand turn direct to Kalgoorlie, the station.
Qantas 888, copied that, turn right and track direct to Kalgoorlie, maintain flight level 260.
Okay, right, direct to Kalgoorlie, flight 260, Qantas 888.
And Qantas 888, when you get a sec, I've just got a couple of questions for you.
Qantas 888, go ahead.
Qantas 888, just requesting whether it will be a normal approach and landing, POB, whether you've got any dangerous cargo on board, and if you require any services.
Qantas 888, request expecting a normal approach and landing at Kalgoorlie, 96 POB. Present fuel remaining is a 6.4 and nil dangerous goods. If we could just have the local services on local standby at this stage, Qantas 888.
Qantas 888, copy that. And I've got the METAR and the METATAF Kalgoorlie if you'd like those.
Get those, thank you, Qantas 888. If we could at this stage track direct to Kalgoorlie, Golf Echo Lima.
Qantas 888, Roger, was that Golf Echo Lima, was it?
Golf Echo Lima 8 and Qantas 888.
Qantas 888, you're clear direct to Kalgoorlie, Golf Echo Lima.
To Kalgoorlie, Golf Echo Lima, thanks, Qantas 888. Under FedEx 9837, level 360.
FedEx 937, Melbourne Centre.
Good evening, Qantas 667, flight level 100.
Well, Qantas 667, Melbourne Centre, evening. Velocity 1784, contact center 127.05, expect start clearance.
Yeah, 5 velocity 784, sir.
Right. Qantas 888, contact center 125.75, okay.
25.75, Qantas 888.